In today's episode, we climb a mountain to see how different tire deflation levels work. We fly a drone and take pictures, and then we go down the mountain after fantastic coffee above the clouds, above the prairie, and above the city, so we can tell you all about it. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Tandem Trail. We're taking on Old Stage Road with both our SUVs today. Roger, our LX470, and Freddie, our Land Cruiser 250. It is a steady and very steep climb from pavement to the dirt and then up to the place where we're going. But we've got a plan. We're testing tire deflation levels today. 30 psi on the way up, which is not really a really big deflation level, but still it's deflated to 30, both cars. And then we're planning to do 18 on the way down. We want to feel the difference in traction, in comfort, in control, especially on this terrain. It is a washboard, it has some washouts, and also it does have some sharp rocks that are poking from the road. But it's not just a test. We've got that beautiful stop in mind. It's really a fantastic overlook just above the city, above the prairie. That's where we're going to take some photos for the website that we're building. We're going to fly in our drone, take some videos with it, and capture both trucks in their element, because these type of trails is what we plan to do with both vehicles most of the time. It will be a full loop today. We're going to climb, fill, take pictures, then we're going to deflate, and we're going to descend the mountain, and we want to share all that with you. We've reached the overlook. It's one of our favorite spots on Old Stage Road. We parked the two trucks and we unpacked two things, the drone and the coffee mugs. And just take a look. Two trucks, one trail, from the perch above the prairie. We fly the drones and we capture the climb we just did, the quiet, majestic mountain, and the city about half a mile down. And we're going back. But before we started the descent, we did something important. We took a moment to photograph both our trucks. Roger, our LX470, and Freddie, our Land Cruiser, side by side on the mountain trail. These are the pictures we will be sharing with you all on our new website. Both vehicles held fantastically today. Well, one is a brand new, you know that, the Land Cruiser, but the other, it's a 23-year-old Lexus LX470. But the LX is with the right tires and wheels, and Roger is absolutely built for trails like that. It's not just about the age, it's about how we equipped it and how both Danny and I are traveling and enjoying that fantastic vehicle. So, a few words, especially now on our way down. We ran two tire pressures today, 30 psi on the way up on the climb and 18 psi on the descent. And the difference, you feel it immediately, especially Tanya. At 30 psi, the ride is firmer, the tires hold their shape, which is great for a regular road driving, but off-road, they bounce more, you feel every rock, every rut, every little stone. Drop to 18 and the tires soften. The content patch extends on the side on the length of the tire, and the sidewalls flex. That means a definitely better grip, smoother ride, and less jarring over uneven terrain. At 18, the tires wrap around obstacle instead of bouncing off them. It's more comfortable, more controlled, and especially helpful on the descent where traction matters the most. But we try to get those within the limit, so we try to not deflate more than 18 unless we have to. Because if you go too low, you risk popping the bead or damaging the sidewalls. That's why we think 18 is kind of the normal when we take trails like this, especially when we have the right wheels and tires on Roger. Today, both trucks held beautifully, but Roger had the proper upgraded tires and wheels, and he was the more comfortable vehicle today. You have to know, we travel, test, and explore with joy, and we film these for you all. We hope you enjoyed this segment as much as we loved creating it. Thanks for climbing Old Stage Road with Tanya, Roger, Freddie, and me. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. And see you on the next episode.